Let's see some ID.
No.
Let's see some ID, dude.
That girl didn't show you any ID.
That's what you just set up with her.
This girls?
Exactly. Now, are you wearing a dress? Can I get your number? Can I buy you a drink? I don't think so, kid. Get lost.
Oh, I don't even think you're 21.
Hey,
Hey, man, just show an ID.
That's in Jackson, Andrew Jackson.
Okay,
See?
you miss ID.
Yeah, there you go. Now show it to him. A different one.
And there goes dinner. I'm broke now. You happy?
Hey, whoa. You're not coming in there. You're not old enough.
Come on, man. I just...
Come on, man, nothing. Get you and your dress shirt out of here now. God. Yeah, that's right. Look at this kid.
What's up, man? How's it going, man? Morning.
Man, you think people learn?
I'm done.
What the?
Wait, where are you going, man?
I gotta get inside!
Yeah, man, there it goes. Come on.